welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with a different kind of video today. This is going to be the very first sponsored video I have ever had on my channel. As you can see, I have been sponsored by Chalkola. They sent me these products for free to review, and I'm going to give you guys my honest review as well as giving them sort of a test run, and we'll see what we come up with. So they sent to me one regular white chalk marker as well as the full set of 30 chalk markers. And while I did open this to look, I haven't actually touched them or done anything with them yet. So there is a really wide range of colors here, and I'm kind of excited about that. Again, sponsored, hashtag ad, all those things. They gave me a code with my name in it for their website, as well as a code for Amazon. And I will link all that information for you guys to see down below if this goes swimmingly, which I think it will. They have pretty nice stuff, and I'm kind of excited. They also sent this chalkboard, which I touched with my finger. It did not come like that. Turns out, no matter how much you wash your hands, there's still oils there, and you can mess up the surface of your chalkboard. But it'll be fine for what we need. It did come with a little, like, stand in the back. The chain part is broken. Not a big deal. Like, I could fix that. But I'm actually going to make this a wall hanging. So what I think I will do is end up removing this and then just hanging it up on the wall. And I might actually remove it before we start drawing on it, because this is not a stable work surface. So, yeah, I don't know. I haven't tested anything out yet. I think I'm also going to redo this little box with you guys as well. But I'm excited to crack these open and see what's going on. So we're going to jump to the sped up portion so you guys can watch me test them out, and I will do the voiceover with my honest opinions and things like that as we go through, and we'll see what we come up with. So, catch you in just a moment. So that is my testing try-on portion done. As you can see, I have decorated up this little chalkboard. It's going to look really great in my witchy space. And done this little tiny tarot box, which I love and is really cute. And I'm kind of all about it, and it's going to be a great place to put my little mini tarot cards. So, my first impressions of the Chalkola chalk markers are generally pretty positive. I really like the flow output. I think they're really great. A couple of the markers had sort of an excessive start, but I think they might even out over time, you know, once they get used a little bit, hopefully. That's probably the only downside, was I wasn't prepared for, like, the big puddle of ink to come out, but otherwise they're pretty positive. The colors are nice and opaque. There's a really good variety. It works really well on non-porous surfaces. I tried it out on the wood because it is porous, just to see what it would look like, and I also like how that looks. It has sort of a like painted on kind of look. It like soaked into the wood, but it also made it easier to sort of blend the colors as opposed to these, which would just draw over each other on the non-porous surface. But yeah, I think I am really happy with this product. I think that's really cool, and you know, big thanks to Chalkola for sending these to me for review. I like them, and I am looking forward to using them in future projects. I think they'll make really good like finishing markers for like art journal pages and mixed media stuff like that, because they are opaque and they go over top surfaces pretty decently. It does say on the box that it works best on chalkboards, whiteboards, blackboards, windows, glass, ceramics, and other non-porous surfaces. So, I mean, I could probably decorate a couple glasses or something like that, some jars maybe. Kind of looking forward to trying that out. They are child safe and water based, as well as non-toxic, and they wash off of clothes. I did test out a little bit here, just sort of writing out some words and wiping it off, so that it washed off pretty easily. And so I should be able to wash off this background if I feel like I need to change it. Although I did draw some of this in pencil just to get like a sort of map of where to go. That might be harder to get off, but it's not really going to be a big deal. I'm happy with how this looks, and I don't think I'm going to be changing the design dramatically anytime soon. But yeah, so that's going to be it for me today, you guys. If you would like to, you can check out the links down below, and if you use the code with the affiliate link, then I will get a little tiny kickback for any purchase you choose to make. But otherwise, if you don't, check it out. They're interesting, and they might be beneficial for any art projects you guys have. That's going to be it for me, you guys, for now. I will catch you all in the next one, and in the meantime, I just want to say I appreciate your faces, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye! Alright, just a little shaky cam handheld update. I wanted to show you guys this part. I colored the black on top of the blue here, and it all dried up and then just flaked off and fell off. So they might not layer up on top of each other super well. I just wanted to add that in so that you guys can see what happened after the fact. I may just try painting over it again and see what happens, but it's not like a super big deal. It just looks like a more natural like reflection, I guess you could say. But I just wanted to show you guys that part before I finished editing the video and stuff, so you guys could see exactly what happens, and I didn't want to mislead anybody with my video. So just something to keep in mind if you get this product and you choose to use it, that they may dry up and flake up off of each other if you layer them up too much. It also might have been because that black was really super fluid. It might have just been too much on top. I'll try when the marker is less like runny to see if it works better then. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Just a quickie little update. Thanks for watching. Bye!